What's going on YouTube? So today's video we have a 7magic hair dryer, perfect for barbers or anyone out there, hairstyling or salon work, anything you want. Basically, this is an overall great hairstyling or just drying your hair in general after a shower quickly. This is very quiet, has magnetic nozzle included. It also has an essence box so you can add your own fragrance whenever you are blow drying your hair. It'll instantly make your hair smell good. It's very quiet, super powerful, and it has 3 different modes for temperatures. It has a cool, warm, and a hot temperature, and it has LED ring to show you the temperature whenever you do change it. It has 2 different modes, a first mode and a second mode for the amount of intensity you want to blow out the air. You can easily clean the hair dryer by taking off the cap on the bottom, taking out all the lint and dust that it does accumulate when it sucks in that air. Only thing I really wish they had is a diffuser. If they had a diffuser in the future, then this would be even better. But right now, it's still really good. I highly recommend this. It comes in multiple different colors available. Very quiet, perfect for barbers. Very powerful as well to get rid of all the hair after the haircut or to just, style it, like I said. Without further ado, thank you guys for watching. I'll leave a link in the description for this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Just a quick little video.